Hey, my money-making friend, I have a great one for you all today. It is the MBDA Capital Readiness Program Grant Competition. The MBDA stands for the Minority Business Development Agency, and they provide a bunch of opportunities in addition to free money so that you can grow and scale your business. As we all know, there are many challenges when it comes to finding capital for our business, and this is especially so for minority-owned businesses. And so this organization's mission is to help minority and other underserved entrepreneurs launch and scale their businesses. This grant is unlike a lot of others because there is a lot of money on the table. And when I say a lot of money, they have budgeted $3 million over a 4-year time period. That's 6 zeros. And that's why I had to share it with you all. And so in this video, I'm gonna break down who should apply for this grant. Secondly, I'm gonna talk about webinars that you should join so that you can get the most information possible so that you can put 120% into your grant application. Next, I will talk about the grant timeline. And then lastly, I'm gonna follow it up with the 5 steps that you can take to complete this grant application. And so in terms of who should apply, your organization should do 4 things. First off, it should serve minority, woman, and other underserved populations. Secondly, your organization needs to help entrepreneurs build capacity. Third, you need to be able to attract and provide access to capital opportunities. And lastly, you need to provide access to networks. And so in other words, your business needs to help other businesses grow and scale. And so these rules are clearly outlined in the frequently asked questions section. And so it says, hey, I'm an entrepreneur or a small business owner, and I'm looking to launch or scale my business. Can I receive funding under this competition to help my business? No, this program does not provide grants to entrepreneurs or small business owners directly to grow their own businesses. Rather, the funding under this program will go to entities who will provide technical assistance services designed to help entrepreneurs and small business owners build the skills to launch or scale their businesses. Long story short, your business needs to help other businesses become successful. And that could be through getting capital or building out their network. If you do not qualify for this grant, that's okay. There's so many more opportunities that you can find with the Minority Business Development Agency. Just make sure that you get connected to this community, and that's by joining a Minority Business Center near you. And so you're just gonna go to their website, click Business Centers, and find the closest one to your location. And so if your business meets these qualifications, then hands down, you should apply because there is $3 million available. And no matter what business you have, $3 million can make a huge difference in what you can do. Next, I will talk about the grant timeline. And so some dates that you need to know is that the applications are due February 28th of this year. Applicants must submit their applications for funding via the grants.gov website. And before this February 28th date, you also should submit by January 31st an email of intent. And so you can submit the email of intent in 2 ways. You can email ssbci@mbda.gov, or you can fill out this form right here and it will submit your email of intent to the organization. And so all links that you'll need will be included in the description below. And so now that you have a clear understanding of what your business needs to do in order to apply for this grant competition, and now let's talk about what types of businesses are able to apply. As is mentioned right here, you can be a nonprofit organization, a private sector entity, or an institution of higher learning. And to go into more detail as it relates to a private sector entity, that means you can be a sole proprietorship, a partnership, a limited liability company, and a corporation. And so no matter what type of organization you have, if you serve minority communities, you are able to apply for up to $3 million. And the way that you give your business the best chance of getting this money is to attend their webinars. The soonest one coming up is January 17th, which is this upcoming Tuesday from 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And so they are going to discuss the application criteria that will be used to score applications for funding under the Capital Readiness Program. If you want to maximize your chance of getting this money, you need to attend these pre-application webinars. And then on January 24th, the following Tuesday, they will talk about budget best practices and pitfalls because you will need to submit a budget and work plan in your grant application. And to sign up, the page is going to look like this. You're going to click on what webinar you want to attend and then fill out your personal information, and then you're going to click register. And so you should be able to sign up for upcoming webinars as well as get a recording of the first webinar. And so the 5 steps that you need to take in order to apply for the MBDA grant application is to register your organization. And so that looks like getting a unique entity ID number from the SAM website. So it used to be based off your DUNS number. Now you need a unique SAM number. And so you will go to this website right here, and you'll be able to register for your unique 12-character alphanumeric ID, and you can get this for free from the SAM website. And so in order to apply for this grant, you first need your SAM ID number and your employer identification number, or your EIN. If you don't have an EIN, you can check out the video linked above, and it walks you through how to get an EIN from the IRS website for free. Secondly, you need to understand the grant announcement. So that means visiting the specific grant pages on mbda.gov to learn more about the program and find frequently asked questions. And so I'll link below the FAQ article. Third, you need to attend pre-application webinars to learn more about the grant and requirements. And so now you know where to find these webinars and what webinars are already available to you. Fourth, you need to understand the evaluation process. And so the best way to do this is to attend the second pre-webinar, because they're going to walk you through it. And so some of the things you can also do is read through the announcement, pay special attention to key sections, including eligibility, deadline, and selection process. The 5th step is to prepare and submit applications. And so within this final step, you should submit the email of intent before you officially submit the grant application. And so this will overall give your business the best chance of success. I cannot wait to see you flourishing and growing your business in the new year. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. And while you're continuing to grow, you can check out this video right here, which is going to talk about more free money that you can get for your business.